When you have a business and you use a website to promote and present your products online, of course, you aim at catching your visitors' attention. The most important person on having a website is your visitor. Aside from your products and services, your visitors are the one who gave your website a life. Here are the actions that you wanted your visitors to take in your website. Click. You need to make sure that your visitor won't get bored exploring your website. Make sure that they don't leave your website with a bad impression. Don't let them leave your website without them subscribing. Subscribe. Make sure that you catch the attention of your visitors and convert them from being a visitor to a subscriber who wants to order and visit your site again and again. Call. You need to make sure that your visitor is satisfied with what they saw on your website and make them call you or contact you for inquiries. Buy. And last but not the least is that you need to make sure that once your visitors visit your website, they are going to buy or engage with your products or services. Of course, it is your main reason why you've created your website to market your products, services and have a business sales transaction. Do you want a website with these actions? Success Online is ready to serve you. Just visit us at successonline.com.au or email us at sales@successonline.com.au. We are happy to have business with you. And please don't forget to like this video and make sure to subscribe on our channel and click the notification bell for you to be notified anytime we post a new video. Thank you for watching.